So on this video, I just want to point out something that I hopefully you're starting to become aware of. Um, I have a series circuit, has a light bulb on it, a 9-volt battery. Go over here and check the voltage. I'm using 9 volts in this light bulb. The light bulb is also using zero point 0.9 amps. Also, I can click on the light bulb and show you that it's set to uh, have a resistance. So it's the impeding of electrons moving through. It's what the ohms is measuring, or what the resistance is measuring, and the light bulb is resisting the movement of electrons at the 10 ohms degree. Okay, so um, while it does that, it's obviously, you can see here, it's giving off light and it gives off heat. This is an incandescent bulb. So basically what's happening is the electrons moving through the filament are being resisted. That's causing friction of the electrons going through there and heating up that filament, producing heat and producing light. Okay. So what happens if I take this out of here and I replace it with a resistor and do that? So I have a resistor here. This resistor is rated at 10 ohms again. Let's check the voltage. So obviously, zero over here, I'm going to be using 9 volts, just like with the light bulb. Current, 9.9 amps, using 0.9 amps. Okay. So my current and voltage are exactly the same as they were when I had the light bulb there. But notice what's not there. Everything remains the same with the circuit, but the only thing that's not there is the light and the heat. Now there might be, in depending on what resistor you're using, there might be a little bit of heat generated, but generally you will not have any light generated. So the questions where I ask, if you replace a light bulb with a resistor, what happens? Well, the only thing that happens with your circuit is you lose the light and you lose the heat. Okay. Everything else remains the same. How are a light bulb and a resistor the same? They both are resisting the movement of electrons through them. Okay. They're both doing exactly the same thing when it comes to how electrons move through there. How they are different is that the light bulb purposefully is designed to give off light and to give off heat. A resistor is not designed in general to give off light and give off heat. Generally, you don't want a resistor to give off light and give off heat. In general, you're trying to avoid that. So that is sort of a thumbnail sketch of the difference between a resistor and a light bulb.